Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are good and healthy. This is your English class and today our topic is common material and proper noun. So students, in this video we will learn what is common noun, what is material noun, what is proper noun with the help of their examples, and we will also do the exercise of these three, right? So students, before starting, do you know what is a noun? Yes, naming birds are called nouns. In other words, a name of person, place, animal or a thing is a noun, which you have already studied, right? So moving on. First, common noun. A general name of person, place, thing or animal. As a person, we can say doctor, teacher, policeman, pilot. These are common nouns. For a place, we can say city, village, country, town. These are common nouns, right? So, for example, you see here city, book, train and teacher, school. All these are common nouns, right? Because they are common names. So now moving on. Second, proper noun. The specific name of person, place, thing or animal. Specific name means special name, right? A proper noun always begins with a capital letter. So for example, you can see first picture city as Mumbai city, right? Train as Link Express, book as Harry Potter. Now they are having special names, so they are proper nouns. Other example, teacher as Mrs. Banerjee, school as Sun City School. I hope you understood. So, third noun is material noun. A common noun, that is the name of material used to make other things. If you are using any material to make other things, that is material noun. For example, gold, cotton, copper. Gold you can use for making jewelry. Cotton you can use for making cotton cloth, right? Copper you can use for batteries, cell. So these all are material can be used. So these are material noun. I hope you understood all three nouns. Right, now it's time for exercise. And first you have to sort the nouns from the books and put them under the correct headings. Gold, Paris, country, cloth, silk, fruit, street, orange. You have to put these words under the headings of common noun, proper noun, material noun, right? So you have to choose them and put them. So now moving on. Next exercise. Write C above each common noun and P above each proper noun. First, Harry ate a banana. My brother is reading Bible. Paris is a city in France. I am at Max Hospital. Rajdhani Express is arriving at station. So you have to mark C above all the common nouns and mark P above all the proper nouns. I hope you did this exercise. So moving on to next exercise. Complete the table. In this, one side are common nouns and other are proper nouns. I have given the example of book, Bible. Now you have to fill in the blanks. Dash, Russia. City, dash, dash, French. You have to fill appropriately, okay? So, I hope you did. The last exercise. Rewrite the sentences by replacing all the underlined common nouns with proper nouns. First, the boy walked down the street. In this, you have to replace the boy and the street with the proper noun word. Second, he stopped at the store to buy a drink. The store drink you have to change. He met his friend at the park. His friend you have to change and write the word of a proper noun. Fourth, they both went to a mall in the city. Mall and city you have to change here, right? So I hope now you understood all the three nouns and you have also completed all the 4 exercises. Now it's time for test your knowledge. First, what's the difference between common and proper noun? Second, which noun begins with a capital letter? You also have to write the answer of these questions. So I hope you understood all things. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.